Dear children, we all know that Allah sent about 1,24,000 prophets to this world to show people the straight path. One of these great prophets was Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. In his time, people had stopped worshipping Allah and began worshipping idols. There was a lot of evil on earth. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam tried very hard to convince his people to worship one Allah and stop their wrongdoings, but they refused. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam was worried that Allah's punishment would come upon his people. After many years of trying, only a few people believed him. The rest were arrogant and tried to harm Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam. Allah commanded Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam to build a very large ship. When he started, people made a lot of fun of it. The ship was so big, it had 3 levels. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam covered the inside and outside with a tar-like paint and made the front of the ship curved so it could sail easily. When the great ship was ready, Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam told all the believers to get on board by saying Bismillah in the name of Allah. Allah also commanded Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam to bring a pair of every living creature, one male and one female, onto the ship. All kinds of animals and birds got on the magnificent ship. The bottom level was for animals like lions, elephants and horses. The middle level was for Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam and the believers. The top level was for all kinds of birds like peacocks, sparrows and pigeons. When everyone was on the ship, Allah commanded the ground to pour out water from every direction and the sky to rain. So much water came down that the ground, trees and even the mountains were covered. Everyone who was not on the ship drowned, but everyone on the ship was safe. When none of the arrogant people were left, Allah stopped the rain and the ship came to rest on a mountain. That mountain was called Mount Judi, which is in the country now known as Turkey. This is how Allah protected the believers from harm. Allah made the flood of Nuh alayhi salam and the ship a sign and a warning for all future generations. Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam's last advice to his children was to worship only Allah and never be arrogant. What did we learn from this story? Number 1. Only Allah has the right to be worshipped and He has power over all things. Number 2. We should say Bismillah before we do anything. Number 3. If people try to harm us or make fun of us for doing what is right, we should be patient and trust Allah. And number 4. Allah is the protector and helper of believers, but those who do wrong and have no faith have no protector or helper.